Okay, class, we go down here to example 2. Remember, example 1 was this here. We had to do this example 1, which we did in the last video, and we went back up to the previous example, which was this here, because this was skipped before. So now, we're going to scroll down here to example 2. I took the liberty of setting it up already. It says, is 12.1 a solution of the equation y minus 4.3 equals 7.8? So what they're asking you to do is to substitute in 12.1 to y, and if that minus 4.3 gives you 7.8, your answer will be yes. So we set this up. We substitute in 12.1 for y. We put that in parentheses. Then there's nothing more we could do with this parenthesis. And then we set this up vertically. Now we know we cannot subtract 3 from 1, so we have to borrow 1 from this 2. And we would make this 1 11. 11 minus 3 is 8, and we bring down our decimal. Now we know we cannot subtract 4 from 1, so we'll borrow 1 from this 1, which would make this 0, and this 1 would be an 11. 11 minus 4 is 7, and we don't have to write this 0 here. So your final answer is 7.8, so it would be yes. Now we scroll down here to example 3. It says simplify by combining like terms. Now the like terms here are the variables that are the same and the numbers without the variables. So we have negative 4.3y and negative 20.1y. If you notice, I carried the sign that both of them had in front of it. So since both of them had the same sign, you add them. We first bring down these y's. 3 plus 1 is 4. We bring down our decimal. 4 plus 0 is 4. And then here we don't have a number above the 2, so we bring the 2 down. And our negative. So this would be a negative 24.4y. Now over here, we have these numbers. Same sign, we add them. 8 plus 6 is 14. You add your 4, bring down your decimal, and carry your 1. 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 1 is 12. So you have 2, carry your 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that'll be a positive 22.4. So we'll put a plus sign in between them, and this will be your answer. Negative 24.4y plus 22.4. And we combine the like terms. Now we scroll down. Now we go to section C. It says solving application problems. Example, find the total monthly cost of owning and operating a certain automobile given the expenses shown. Now we have our expenses. Now we have to add all of these together to get the total monthly cost. Now we add these. We set these up. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 0 is still 10. So we put our 0, carry our 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 6 is 12, plus 5 is 17. And we carry our 1 and bring down our decimal. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 7 is 13. So we have our 3 and carry our 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So we have our 4 and carry our 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So our answer here is $743.70, and that is our total monthly cost. Now we scroll down here. It says use the bar graph below. How much greater is the average height in the Netherlands than the average height in Czechoslovakia? So what happens is we take the height of the Netherlands, which is 72.6 inches, and then we subtract 70.8 inches from it, which is Czechoslovakia's height. So I set this problem up, and now we subtract. We know we cannot subtract 8 from 6, so we have to borrow 1 from this 2, and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8, and we bring down our decimal. 1 minus 0 is 1, and 7 minus 7 is 0. So it'll be 1.8 inches. And this is it from section 5.2.